Hello and welcome back to VR Club. Today we're going to go over VR Setup, where we build and run our project. In today's lesson, we're going to go over simple Quest VR headset setup as well as building a simple VR scene in Unity. The reason why we're going to have this build and run version is when the MetaQuest link is not possible, for example on Mac computers or old Windows computers. So what you'll need is a computer, Unity, the Meta All-in-One SDK with Wi-Fi. We're going to also need our MetaQuests. I'm going to use the 3 this time with our controllers, a USB cable, a Meta account, as well as the MetaQuest app for your phone. We'll start off with looking at the MetaQuest account. You'll go ahead and make one if you don't have one already. I'm just going to go ahead and log in. And once I've made an account, it should take me here, which is great. So once you've taken your MetaQuest out of the headset, you'll notice a little small circle, and that is the power button. On the bottom will be the volume buttons. Go ahead and turn that on. Alright, so once the headset has been powered on, we're going to go open our app, and we're going to pair our MetaQuest 3. This will go through some of the information. And we will pair it. Sometimes you'll have to enter the code, but once that's done, you should be ready to go and all paired. So we'll go through here, make sure we don't share data and enable hand tracking. We're going to skip the payments and then we're all set. Now we're going to go into the top left corner, click on that headset right there, and make sure that we go to get developer mode turned on. So for each headset, we'll go into the headset settings, we'll see the developer mode, and then we'll just turn that on. And once that's turned on, you're good to go. Next, we're going to go ahead and connect the Quest headset to the computer. Make sure that this is a C2C data cable and not a C2C power cable. The one that comes in your box will not work. Now on your computer, you'll want to allow. Now you'll go allow here on the headset, and you want to click on this notification to allow it as well. Now going back to Unity, we'll go ahead and open it back up. Next, we're going to go into the Meta building blocks like you set up in Lesson 8. We'll go ahead and add the camera rig as well as the controllers here. And then we're going to go and exit out of it, and we're just going to add a floor. We're going to go and lower it a little bit. And we're going to go into the file build settings. We're going to go to the Android platform. We're going to switch to it. We're going to add our open scene. And then click switch platform. And once that's done, we'll wait a little bit and we'll just go ahead and click build and run with the headset connected to our computer. We're going to make a file. And afterwards, with the right headset connection, you should be able to see it on your headset. Now this method will work for MacBooks or old computers.